Hi team, welcome to Army Boots. TAT for 3rd October is on your screen and without wasting much time, let's go through the responses. निखिल लिखते हैं सबसे पहले राहुल वॉज अ 24-year-old national player of judo of Delhi and he got a job of physical education teacher in DPS Ghaziabad. And on the first day, he was prepared well and reported to the school and got the responsibility to take the class of 10th class. He went there and introduced himself and asked about the students, and he talked more about the career of students and impressed the students, and he taught them effectively. And he also gave counseling to the student about the stream they should take according to their interest and habit. And he also convinced principal to conduct counseling session for all the student and helped to organize, and after that students thanked him. This session started happening every year. Okay, Nikhil, I know a lot about you because I know you're a judo player, or you are too much into the sports. You have won many medals. So this story is totally going with your PIQ. Also, it is reflecting lot many qualities. Although the story is very simple, but if it is authentic and expressing OLQ, it is very fine. Okay, so good. नेक्स्ट हमारे सक्षम त्यागी. आई परसीव टू पर्सन, अमन एज 20-24 and Dhirendra age 35-40. Aman was a class monitor and Dhirendra is new class teacher. Okay. Dhirendra talking class introduction, then the peon came and say that principal was calling you. Teacher go out, then Aman stand up and start monitoring. The two start fighting on same topic. Aman try to stop them, then teacher come and see the matter. After all, the teacher change the monitor. Saksham ji, you are into the habit of building stories which are very childish. एक तो पहले वो लोग 20 और 24 साल के बीच के हैं. ऐसे बच्चों को मॉनिटर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. इवन इन ग्रेजुएशन देर इज़ नो मॉनिटर. आप BSc करो चाहे BTech करो और यू गो फॉर अ BA इटसेल्फ, देर इज़ नो मॉनिटर. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होता है जो क्लास की बातें आगे पहुंचाता है, और वो लड़ रहे एक दूसरे से, बातें कर रहे हैं. मतलब मॉनिटर दो लोगों को बोल रहा है, वो लोग बातें कर रहे हैं, फिर टीचर आ रहा है. सो देर इज़ नो कंप्लीट स्टोरी. अगर आपको स्टोरी लिखनी है तो एटलीस्ट उसको कंप्लीट करो. एंड में क्या हुआ, अमन ने अपनी स्टोरी पूरी बोली कि नहीं, जो इंट्रोडक्शन वो देना चाहता था. टीचर ने आके उन बच्चों को डांटा कि नहीं डांटा. ये एक तरीका होगा कि आप एटलीस्ट स्टोरी पूरी करो, पर वो स्टोरी पूरी होके भी कुछ नहीं होगी बिकॉज देर इज़ नो मेन कैरेक्टर, देर इज़ नो मेन एक्शन इन इट. ओके. तो सक्षम, वेन एवर यू आर राइटिंग स्टोरी, आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है. पहला, द इमेज शुड बी द सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर. Second, whatever you are writing should lead to that situation, and then you should tell what happened after that situation, and what is the central situation when the image is reflecting the central situation. Okay. देवांश लिखते हैं, शिवम was student of class 12 studying in DAV public school Agra. One fine day their school decided to conduct an inter-house kabaddi competition for which Shivam had appealed for. An instructor to there for informing. He was overjoyed and decided to prepare hard for it. He began to practice after the school hour with his friends. He visited his instructor for guidance and watched some YouTube videos to swift moves. He got his place in his house team and he was made captain of it. He planned different strategies with his team and practiced them in school ground. With persistent efforts, he could lift the trophy with his team. After that, they enjoyed their success by giving a party. Okay, Devansh, your way of writing story is very good. प्रॉपर फुल स्टॉप, प्रॉपर सेंटेंसेस हैं, एंड इट्स एक्चुअली अ स्टोरी व्हेन यू इमेजिन. मैं इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ कि हाँ वो जीत रहा है, फिर वो यहाँ जा रहा है. सो वेरी गुड स्टोरी. आई कैन गिव यू 10/10 ऑन दिस. अंकुश लिखते हैं, एनी लिखते हैं, अंकुश ए रेजिडेंट ऑफ जलंधर, जॉइंड अ स्कूल, वॉज अ साइंस टीचर. He was given responsibility of 6th class. After a brief introduction, he asked students if they wanted to visit science lab to perform practicals. Student asked what is the importance of practical and what will they do there. Ankush explained them what an experiment is and why experiments are performed. He cleared all the doubts of students. Students were really excited to learn new things from their new teacher. And उसके बाद, and then they went for the experiment and they realized that yes, it is actually very good, and they developed their interest for science. And ऐसे करके तो कुछ और भी लंबा करो तो बहुत अच्छा है स्टोरी को. अगर इसका PPDT में आप नरेशन दोगे, ये 20 सेकंड से पहले ख़त्म हो जाएगी स्टोरी, एंड एवरीबॉडी वुड बी वेटिंग कि कुछ ज़्यादा आएगा इससे. ओके. Also the story is quite simple, but okay, it is acceptable. Even the story is very simple. Why to add problems? अंजलि लिखती हैं सजल is a 15-year-old boy studying in his 9th standard at Julie Day School, Kolkata. He was having his midterm exam near the month of August. He thought he was completely ready for it and did not pay attention to the teacher's teaching. In the beginning of August, Sajal did not give any attention to his studies, rather he kept himself busy in playing. And when he appeared for exam, he found all the questions unknown to him. He gave the exam with difficulty and at least he could not score well in any of the subject. And his overall performance was also very weak. Sajal then understood the overconfidence and careless leads to failure. He decided to score his best in the annual exam and started preparing with full dedication and determination, and finally he cleared his annual exam with a great performance and got to learn lesson from his failure in midterm. Okay, Anjali ji, this story is very good because in the end the hero make a comeback. पर इनिशियली उसके अंदर बहुत सारी सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की कमी डाली आपने कि पढ़ नहीं रहा था, केयरलेस था, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस था, टीचरों की बातों पे ध्यान नहीं देता था. नॉट नीडेड. एक हल्का सा दिखाओ, बहुत ज़्यादा आलसी है आपका कैरेक्टर. हाँ पर सर बाद में कम बैक कर गया. हाँ ठीक है कर गया, पर शुरुआत में उसको बहुत बुरा भी मत बनाओ प्लीज़. ओके. बट अंजलि स्टोरी इज़ फाइन. जैसे मैं स्टोरी पढ़ता जा रहा था मैंने कहा अब गए 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 ओके, बट एंड में यू मेड अ कम बैक एंड योर हीरो रियलाइज हिज मिस्टेक्स. नाउ ही इज़ डिटरमाइंड एंड पॉजिटिव. ओके, सो स्टोरी इज़ गुड, डोंट वरी. शुभम लिखते हैं Shivam Kumar was a very smart and intelligent engineering student. He was very bright and wanted to join the Indian Defence and was having a strong mind for it. He couldn't get recommended as an officer as he was not having any proper knowledge and guidance about the process, and later on his age was also a factor. He didn't lose hope and started to prepare for civil services examination and started teaching and motivating the younger students to get into Indian Army. He guided a lot of students through the process and he himself too cleared the CSE exam and became a district magistrate. Okay. Shubham, story is fine, but there is a motiveless story. When I say motiveless, every story should start somewhere and end somewhere. In your story, it started when somebody wanted to become an officer, and in the end, he could not become an officer but ended up becoming something. So the main feel of story is missing. Okay, that is fine. Secondly, this is a very common thing. Most of the people go through like this. They prepare for army, they couldn't get recommended because of some reason, and then they either go for some UPSC exams or some MNCs. Okay, so this story is fine. I like the determination of the guy. I like his cooperation because he's helping others, because if he could not cannot achieve something, probably you think that you cannot help others also, but yeah, this guy is also helping others. So it is a very good story and I like it. But starting में he wanted to achieve something, so end तक या तो उसको achieve करवा दो और don't start the story with this line कि he always wanted to become an army officer. Okay, just disconnect the main motive of story, no? यश गुप्ता, पर शुभम आपकी स्टोरी अच्छी है. मतलब अगर आप एज इट इज़ भी लिखते हो, नॉट एट ऑल अ प्रॉब्लम. वाइल रीडिंग इट पीपल विल गेट डिस्कनेक्ट इन द एंड कि अब ऐसा क्यों, बट इट इज़ फाइन. दिस इज यश. यश लिखते हैं आई परसीव 5 मेल कैरेक्टर्स इन दिस स्टोरी. 4 आर ऑफ सेम एज ग्रुप 16 to 18. One fine morning Mr. Puneet was appointed to deliver a demo lecture in physics in DRM school. As soon as Mr. Puneet entered the class, children were busy in their own stuff and creating chaos. He politely convinced them to stay silent and then start his presentation. Mr. Puneet was very effective in his presentation. Had he involved a teacher-student talk to engage most of the students in his presentation. He told them he will not only focus on theory but also practical will be interesting and they will enjoy performing them. This was Mr. Puneet's skill and experience which helped him to hold the class till the end without any further disturbance. And later on in the feedback, Mr. Puneet was praised by all the students and was appointed as the new physics teacher. Okay, so Yash Gupta, it is a very good story. और it tells the real life situation when you have to deal with the class. I don't know आप में से कितनों ने पढ़ा है कि नहीं, बट इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू डील विद द स्टूडेंट्स अगर वो 60-70 हैं, 40 भी हैं, बिकॉज वो अपनी ईगो पे रखते हैं सब कुछ, एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी जेंटल एंड इफेक्टिवली इंटेलिजेंट, देन ओनली यू कैन टेक देम. So this story is 10 on 10 because it is reflecting lot many qualities altogether. Good. यश जी बधाई हो आपको. सत्यम विश्वकर्मा लिखते हैं, I perceive two character, one teacher राजेश in the age group of 35-40 and the other student named Abhi in the age group 20-25. Abhi was a student of engineering studying in Mumbai University. He was very attentive and a good student. He had his unit exam. He scored good marks in all the exam except one in which he faced difficulties. After consulting to the teacher gave them some tips and teased them with more example. Abhi gave extra time and effort to the subject and was determined to excelling in all the subject. Abhi went to the exam with full preparation and secured very good marks in the exam. बहुत ही अच्छा सत्यम, बहुत ही ठीक ठाक स्टोरी है और अच्छी है. So the story is fine, story is okay, very much acceptable, good. अतुल लिखते हैं, इन द क्लियर पिक्चर आई ऑब्जर्व स्टूडेंट्स एंड अंकुर द टीचर ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स. द स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑफ क्लास 12th belonging from poor family and living in slum slide area and are going to have their board exam in 2 months. Ankur is providing free tuition to them every day for 3 hours by going to their area. He also promised students that within 1 week he'll try his best to avail teacher of other subject as well with free of cost. He just wanted total dedication of the student in studying. Soon he provided students with other subjects faculty as well. With the dedication of mentor and hard work of students, the board exam started and all the students gave the exam with full confidence. After 1 month, result was announced and they all passed with 90% above. They all thanked Ankur sir and all the teachers of other subjects for their hard work and believe in them. Okay. Atul, why is he giving classes for free? Because belonging from a poor family, मतलब जो students हैं. Then please mention in the daytime he used to go for his regular job and in the evening he used to take up extra classes. Where the story is appear कि वो अकेला और उसके सारे दोस्त मिलके सिर्फ गरीबों को पढ़ा रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. So there is a thing कि ये रोज़ी रोटी कहाँ से कमा रहे हैं हमारे लोग, ठीक है. So if this type of क्या बोलते हैं feel will appear in your story that the hero is too much dedicated for the upliftment of poor or someone, then reality will be missed, है ना. तो हम ये लिखेंगे कि हाँ वो जॉब करते हैं बट इन द फ्री टाइम इन द इवनिंग और इन द मॉर्निंग 4 to 5, 5 to 6 दे आर गिविंग ट्यूशंस टू दोज हु कैन नॉट अफोर्ड कोचिंग. क्लियर. और राधा कि उन्होंने अपने स्कूल में ही अपने प्रिंसिपल को बोल के एक जगह खाली करवाई जहाँ पे वो गरीबों को पढ़ा सकते हैं. स्कूल में होता है ना गरीब कोटा, या फिर इन द कोचिंग नियर बाय दे आर टीचिंग, दे स्टार्टेड टीचिंग देम ऑल्सो टुगेदर. उससे उनका टाइम भी बचेगा, उनके लिए अलग टाइम नहीं निकालना पड़ेगा, जो कोचिंग है उसमें भी हो जाएगा. तो ईदर मेंशन कि हाँ वो कमा रहे हैं भाई साहब, वो पूरी ज़िंदगी उन्हीं की हेल्प नहीं करेंगे, वो फ्री टाइम में कर रहे हैं. एंड देन टेक अप योर स्टोरी. बाकी ये स्टोरी इज़ फाइन, शोइंग लॉट मेनी क्वालिटीज़. उसने 5 लोगों को और कन्विंस कर दिया अपने साथ पढ़ने के लिए. ओके. सो व्हाट इज अतुल, दिस इज़ अ गुड स्टोरी. थोड़ा बहुत एलिमेंट हम और डालेंगे तो बहुत अच्छी बन जाएगी. क्लियर. देन वी हैव शुभम मैती. In my story, I perceive 5 characters. Akash, 26-year-old, was a part-time teacher in a Diamond Harbour High School. His ambition was to become a collector. He used to teach students in the school to help his family financially beside his masters. After completing his master, he started his preparation for UPSC. He started from the bottom. He used to read NCERT to improve his basics, made note, used to read newspaper daily, used to give mock for his written. Hopefully, he cleared the pre and main exam. So he practiced in front of mirror to build his self-confidence, gave mock interviews from various academy. Fortunately, he was selected for the IPS officer and the result of his students had come. They also got good marks. So they are very happy. Akash arranged a party, enjoyed with other school teachers. He gave sweet to his students for his achievement. Teachers and his students appreciated him. He lives happily with his family. Okay, शुभम, स्टोरी इज़ फाइन, ठीक है. और एक अच्छा प्रोग्रेशन है स्टोरी में जिसमें लड़का बहुत आगे तक जा रहा है. So if he is doing his masters, so probably he should start preparing for UPSC from the first year of his master itself. एकदम मास्टर ख़त्म करने के बाद UPSC की तैयारी मत करवाओ, पहले से करवाना शुरू कर दो. इससे फोकस दिखता है, डिटर्मिनेशन दिखता है कि बंदा पहले से रेडी है. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एबिलिटी दिखती है, प्लानिंग दिखती है ना. ही शुड नॉट वेट फॉर मास्टर्स टू एंड देन टू ड्रॉप एन ईयर फॉर UPSC. Prepare while he is in his master or he is in his basic graduation. Okay. Baki's story is very good. He also gave party to the student. That means your character is very cooperative. He is very live. Students love him. So it's a good story. Okay. Sanket लिखते हैं, Manak, 29-year-old maths teacher, he found that his students were getting bored and not understanding some topics properly. So he came up with a solution. He started doing humor and real life experience based on teaching, due to which students got good idea of practical application and also learnt in interesting way. Also, in case of 45 minutes, he gave 5-minute break after 20 minutes to get student refreshed. He motivated and encouraged every student, especially weak ones. Further, he also cleared all the doubt and made a WhatsApp group for students to ask any question. Next, he prepared students with making them do previous year question and sample paper. He advised them to spend good amount of time on sports and meditation. With all this effort, assured results were achieved by Manak in the midterm exam, as every student performed their best. Manak was happy that everyone got good marks, attained good knowledge and got good habits. Sanket, your story writing is good. I've already told you कि आप बहुत अच्छे सेंटेंस लिखते हो, फटाफट क्रिस्प होते हैं. But this time the main thing, what I call it, the reason why your hero is into the process was not very strong. Simply students are getting bored, for which the teacher is doing lot many. Generally आप उनको डांट के बोल दो कल आप टेस्ट है, so they will start studying. In fact, they'll come to you and ask query कि सर ये वाला आंसर बता दो कैसे होता है, ये ऐसा है. Interest is not there for two reasons. One is that exams are very far away because most of the students study for the sake of exam. Okay, I assume that students are very good and they study for the sake of interest in the studies. Then there should be no reason for getting bored. कैसे भी कोई भी पढ़ा है उनको अच्छा ही लगेगा because they want to know something. So make sure the reason is very big. Just because students बोर हो रहे हैं, because they will be getting bored in any subject. आप उनको मैथ्स पढ़ाओ और आप बीच में ह्यूमर डालो, उनको अच्छा लगेगा, फिर आप दोबारा बैक टू स्टडीज़ करोगे, they will not reconnect. Okay, so your complete story is very good. The action etc taken, if this action, this methods would have taken for any other reason, then it would be very good. Okay, like you could have said that in the lockdown classes could not be started and students were very tensed, so he started organizing classes एक bench पे एक बच्चा बिठा के, and then he told them कि please don't panic, things will be very fine, I am going to give you a previous year paper. This way this could be little authentic and effective. तृप्ति लिखती है, there was a man named Ram, 25-year-old man, complete his higher studies and become the teacher in university. There they teach science in practical, so every student like their class and attend the class. Very good तृप्ति, बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है. हर्षिता लिखती है, one day college invite a guest to motivate the final year student of the batch. He start lecture and interacting one of them. Then he tell that nothing is meant to be easy, so don't think your degree helps to get a job. Not only your skills help to get a job. Clarity of thinking is play important in life, so start developing yourself according to your job. Always try to self-motivate by themselves, that makes you strong. Then all the students get motivated by them and all are do in a placement drive and most of them selected of this batch. Okay, Harshita, as per your last story or your last response of VAT, this story is very fine. So congratulations. बहुत ही simple yet effective yet reflecting OLQs वाली स्टोरी है आपकी. आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं थी मुझे बिकॉज आई हैव सीन योर रिस्पॉन्स, बट एज़ पर योर प्रीवियस रिस्पॉन्स आपकी ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है, पर ये और भी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो सकती है. ठीक है, सो विद प्रैक्टिस इट विल कम. स्टूडेंट आस्क मी कि हमें ये तो बता दिया कि ये ख़राब है, हमें ये तो बताओ ठीक कैसे करना है. विद प्रैक्टिस यू विल लर्न ऑल दिस. नो, आपको बस देखो स्टोरी में होता क्या है, कुछ चीज़ें याद रखनी होती हैं. आपने एक जो फोटो देखी, जो इमेज द इमेज यू हैव सीन शुड बी द सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर. You should start a story from once upon a time and should take your story to the situation which is happening in the image and then you should end the situation. हो सकता है 100 के 100 बच्चे एक टाइप की स्टोरी लिखें, but part of action taken by student decides whether he'll get screen in or whether he'll be recommended by psych or not. We'll talk about it later in lectures. Well, this much for today. Good luck. Jai Hind.